RIN mutiny 1946 background World War II led to expansion of RIN, wider recruitment, economic hardship, racial discrimination, global nationalist exposure. Start 18 February 1946 at HMIS तलवार बॉम्बे involved 20,000 plus rating 78 ships spread to Karachi, Calcutta, Cochin. Called last bar of Indian independence. Leaders Salil Syam, BC Dutt, Madan Singh, DC Devi Puri, MS Khan. No central political leaders. Cause poor pay, food, medical facility, harsh duty. Racist officer Arthur King, inspired by Quit India and INA trial, demand release of nationalist leader. Nature slogan Jai Hind Inkılap Zindabad, Quit India adopted INC tricolor flag. Political response Congress, Muslim League opposed, Gandhi criticized as leaderless. CPI supported unlike 1945 INA trials. The Noble rating. Court martial lacked a comparable high profile organized legal defense. Outcomes the press surrender after Patel assurance. 475 dismissed. Court martial significance shook British confidence. Politicized armed force, accelerated power transfer. Election 1945-46. Background announced by Viceroy Wavell, September 1945, after Labour Party victory in UK. Legal basis. Central Assembly election under Government of India Act 1919. Provincial Assembly election under Government of India Act 1935. Contestant Congress versus Muslim League. Crucial for Pakistan demand campaign. Theme repression of Quit India INA trials. Martyrdom. Result Central Assembly 1945 Congress 57 out of 102, League 30. Provincial Assembly 1946 Congress 923 1585 dominant in Muslim League seat. League swept Muslim seat. Government Congress in Madras, Bombay, UP, Bihar, Odisha, CP, Berar, Assam, Northwest Frontier. League in Bengal, Sindh, Punjab. Coalition led by Congress, Indianist and Akalis. Significance enabled indirect election to Constituent Assembly. Polarized politics. Strengthened League's bargaining power on Pakistan. Last general election under British rule. Limited franchise. 1% at central, less than 10% in province. Cabinet mission 1946. Member Stafford Crisp, President of Board of Trade. Lord Patrick Laverner, Secretary of State for India. A.B. Alexander First, Lord of Admiralty. Background British rule weakening. Post World War II failure of Cripps Mission 1942. RIN mutiny Feb 1946 raised fear of another Quit India type uprising. Object urgent political settlement. Preference for United India over Pakistan. Rival 24 March 1946. Plan proposed May 1946. Proposal rejected. Pakistan demand warned of economic political problem. Provincial grouping. Section A Hindu majority province Madras, Bombay, CP, UP, Bihar, Odisha. Section B Muslim majority Punjab, Northwest Frontier, Sindh. Section C Bengal, Assam. 3-tier framework. Union Center, Foreign Affairs, Defense, Communications. Section Province. Constituent Assembly 389 member, 292 province, 4 chief commissioner, 93 princely state indirectly elected via provincial legislature. PR system. General Muslim Sikh. Provincial autonomy. Residual power with provinces. Lapse of British paramountcy. Princely state free to negotiate. Interim government to be formed from Constituent Assembly. Response. Congress supported CA United India. Opposed compulsory grouping. Feared excessive autonomy for Muslim majority area. Muslim League initially accepted the scope of grouping, later rejected after Congress opposition demand. Pakistan failure, sharp Congress League disagreement over grouping and opt-out right. Outcome League launched Direct Action Day 16 अगस्त 1946, leading to communal violence. Constituent Assembly 46 से 49 formed under Cabinet Mission Plan 1940. First meeting 9 दिसंबर 1946, presided by Dr. Sachidanand Sinha, Provincial President, Permanent Chairman Dr. Rajendra Prasad 11 दिसंबर 1946. Objective resolution moved by Nehru 13 दिसंबर 1946, adopted by Jan 1947, which became the basis of preamble. Important member Nehru, Patel, S. C. Mukherjee, B.T. Krishnamacharya, Alladi Krishna, N. Gopalaswamy, K.M. Munshi, Mohammad Sadabul, Sarojini Naidu, C. Rajagopalachari, Abul Kalam Azad, Govind Ballabh Pant, Sarath Chandra Bose, Durgabai Deshmukh, Shyam Prasad Mukherjee, K.C. Yogi. Constituent 26 नवंबर 1949, on which adoption of constitution, function as provincial parliament 26 जनवरी 1950 to मई 1952 till first elected parliament. Drafting committee formed 26 अगस्त 1947, चेयरमैन बी आर अम्बेडकर, मेंबर अल्लादी कृष्ण स्वामी, एन गोपालास्वामी, के एम मुंशी, मोहम्मद सदाउल्ला, बी एल मित्तल, रिप्लेस्ड बाय एन माधव राव, डी पी खेतर, रिप्लेस्ड बाय टी टी कृष्णाचारी. ड्राफ्टेड प्रेजेंट 4 नवंबर 1948, कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन एडॉप्टेड 26 नवंबर 1949, केम इनटू फोर्स 26 जनवरी 1950. इंटरिम गवर्नमेंट 1946 से 47, परमिशन 2 सितंबर 1946 फ्रॉम कॉन्स्टिट्यूएंट असेंबली फॉर एज पर कैबिनेट मिशन प्लान. कांग्रेस सीट 208, मुस्लिम लीग 73, लीग पार्टिसिपेशन इनिशियली बॉयकॉटेड, ज्वाइन 26 अक्टूबर 1946. After talk with Viceroy Babur to advance Pakistan demand, structure Council of Ministers replaced Viceroy Executive Council. Leadership Jawaharlal Nehru, Vice President, de facto Prime Minister. Jawaharlal Nehru, INC, Vice President, Executive Council, External Affairs, Commonwealth Relations. Vallabhbhai Patel, Home, Information, Broadcasting. Baldev Singh, Defence. John Mithai, Industrial Supply. C. Rajagopalachari, Education. C. H. Baba, Work, Mine and Power. Rajendra Prasad, INC, Food, Agriculture. Jagjeevan Ram, INC, Labor. Asaf Ali, INC, Railway. Liaquat Ali, Muslim League, Finance. T.T. Chandrigar, Muslim League, Commerce. Abdul Rab Nistar, Muslim League, Communication. Ghaznfar Ali Khan, Muslim League, Health. Jogendra Nath Mandal, Muslim League, Law. Two nation theory, core idea, religious nationalism, Hindu and Muslim as separate nation with distinct religion, culture, tradition. Early route 80-70 से 80. Sir Syed Ahmad Khan stressed separate Muslim political interests formed the intellectual foundation. Clear articulation 1930. Muhammad Iqbal, Allahabad Address. Demand for separate Muslim state. Political mobilization. Jinnah transferred idea into Pakistan. Demand event contributing to partition. 1905 partition of Bengal, first communal division. 1909 Muslim into separate electorate. 1919 Government of India Act reinforced communal representation. 1919 से 22 NCM खिलाफत यूनिटी कोलैप्स आफ्टर चौरी चौरा. 1930 इक्वाल डिमांड फॉर मुस्लिम स्टेट. कम्युनल अवार्ड डिपेंड कम्युनल पॉलिटिक्स. 1933 रहमत अली क्वाइंड पाकिस्तान. पंजाब, अफगानिस्तान, कश्मीर, सिंध, बलूचिस्तान. 1940 लाहौर रिजोल्यूशन, फॉर्मल पाकिस्तान डिमांड. 1942 क्रिप्स मिशन, डिफरिंग इंटरप्रिटेशन. 1946 डायरेक्ट एक्शन डे 6 अगस्त, कम्युनल वायलेंस इन कलकत्ता. 1947 माउंटबेटन प्लान और 3 जून पार्टीशन एक्सेप्टेड. कांग्रेस रैली माइंड आउटकम वांटेड united India but failed to sustain Hindu-Muslim unity. Accepted partition due to collapse of talks with League. Fear of prolonged violence, belief it reflected popular will. Hope of temporary settlement. Outcome creation Pakistan 1947 leading to mass migration and communal violence. Independence with partition. Mountbatten Plan and partition announced 3 June 1947 by Lord Mountbatten, accepted by all major parties despite Gandhi's opposition. Led to Indian Independence Act 1947. Provision 2 Dominion. Indian and Pakistan Viceroy, Secretary of State, Governor General appointed. Mountbatten, India or Jinnah, Pakistan. princely state free to exist or remain independent. Separate Constituent Assembly for Pakistan. Punjab Bengal Assembly voted for partition. Sindh joined Pakistan. Northwest Frontier referendum favored Pakistan, boycotted by Khan Abdul Ghaffar Khan. Boundary demarcation by Redcliffe Commission. Congress and partition. Congress unable to counter Jinnah or British support to League. Earlier cooperation. Lucknow Pact. NCM Khilafat collapse. Patel Nehru viewed partition is inevitable to end violence. Gandhi opposed till the end. Later accepted as unavoidable. Congress accepted partition but rejected two-nation theory. Reformed secular polity. Consequences. 15 million displaced Muslim to Pakistan. Hindu Sikh to India. 1-2 million deaths due to communal atrocities. Disease in refugee camp. Women virus spread. Abduction, rape, humiliation, forced suicide. Economic impact. India lost jute cotton belt. Pakistan lacked fuel resource. Immediate conflict. J&K Bar 1947 से 48. More PI के book author. Mahatma Gandhi Hind Swaraj. My experiment with truth song from prison. Young India Horizon. Indian opinion South Africa. बाल गंगाधर तिलक गीता रहस्य. मंडलाई जेल. केसरी मराठी. महाराठा English. The Orion. Arctic home in Vedas. Jawaharlal Nehru. Glimpse of world history. Discovery of India towards freedom. Autobiography. Subhash Chandra Bose. The Indian struggle. Bhagat Singh. Why I am an atheist. An introduction to Dreamland. Bhagwati Charan Bohra. Philosophy of the bomb. Sachin Nasalyan. Pandit Jeevan. Surendranath Banerjee. A Nation in Making 1925. Jagjeevan. Raja Rammohn. Amiratul Akbar. Samvad Kumidi. Percept of Jesus. Tuhfat ul Muwahhidin. Dadabhai Naoroji. Poverty and British rule in India. Ramesh Chandra Chatterjee. Economic history of India. Maulana Abul Kalam. India wins freedom. Al Hilal. Al Balag. Taraju ul Quran. Annie Besant. New India Delhi 1914. Common Bill Weekly 1914. Lala Lajpat Rai. Unhappy India. The story of my deportation. Young India Journal. Aurobindo Ghosh. The Life Divine. Essay on the Gita. Savitri. The synthesis of yoga. The ideal of human unity. The foundation of Indian culture. New lamps for old. B.D. Savarkar. Indian War of Independence. Hindutva. Who is a Hindu? B.R. Ambedkar. Annihilation of caste. Who were the Sudras? Untouchables. Pakistan or the partition of India. Wait for a visa. The Buddha and his Dhamma. Bankim Chand Chatterjee. Durgesh Nandini. Anand Math. Devi Chand Chaudhrani. Rabindranath Tagore. Gitanjali. Gora. Ghade Bear. Sadhana. Sarojini. Golden Threshold. Bird of Time. Broken Wings. C.R. Das. India for Indians. Malancha. Mala. Sagar Sangeet. ईश्वर चंद्र विद्यासागर. बीडो विवाह. बहु विवाह. वर्ण परिचय. ज्योतिबा फुले. गुलामगिरी. शेतकर्याचा अशोध. सार्वजनिक सत्य धर्म पुस्तक. गोपाल कृष्ण गोखले. द हिताब्दी जर्नल. देवेंद्रनाथ टैगोर. तत्वबोधिनी पत्रिका. श्यामजी कृष्ण वर्मा. द इंडियन सोशलिस्ट. दयानंद सरस्वती. सत्यार्थ प्रकाश. सैयद अहमद खान. तहजीब उल अखाल. भगवते हिंद. दीनबंधु मित्र. नील दर्पण. एम जी रनाडे. हिंदू प्रकाश. राइज ऑफ मराठा पावर. मेस एसे ऑन इंडियन इकोनॉमिक्स. एम एन राय. वैनगार्ड जनरल. इंडिया इन ट्रांजिशन. सखरम गणेश. देसर कथा. जयप्रकाश नारायण. इंडिया टुवर्ड्स स्ट्रगल. प्रेजेंट डायरी. राम मनोहर लोहिया. गिल्टी मैन ऑफ इंडियाज पार्टीशन. द व्हील ऑफ हिस्ट्री. मन्नूबेन गांधी. बापू माई मदर. गोपाल बाबा बालांगकर. विठल विध्वंसक. बी.एन. मंडलिक. नेटिव ओपिनियन जर्नल. फिरोज शाह मेहता. बॉम्बे क्रॉनिकल. जे.सी. मार. समाचार दर्पण. रामधारी सिंह दिनकर. संस्कृति के 4 अध्याय. माइकल मधुसूदन दत्त. कैप्टिव लेडी. नवाब वजी अली शाह. किस्सा राधा कन्हैया, ताराचंद, हिस्ट्री ऑफ द फ्रीडम मूवमेंट इन इंडिया।